Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pinpointing what the driver must support. Use Nvidia SMI or Device Manager to capture the GPU model and PCI ID and write them down. Next, check your operating system, kernel build, and architecture because drivers are kernel-specific. Also list any runtime needs, CUDA version, Vulkan, or OpenGL level, so you can match ABI requirements. Once done, you'll have the exact constraints that limit compatible driver releases, and you can move to the selection phase with certainty. Now you actively match candidates against your constraints. Read Nvidia release notes and support tables to identify the earliest driver that lists your GPU and OS. Check the kernel module ABI and ensure the driver build supports your kernel. If not, you'll need a different kernel or driver. Cross-reference CUDA toolkit compatibility and package formats, deb, RPM, run. Make sure to prefer long-lived branch or WHQL sign drivers if you need stability, because those receive patches and broader testing. Finish by installing the driver using your packaging system or the Nvidia installer, and follow any kernel module rebuild steps. Reboot, then verify functionality with Nvidia SMI, check/dev/NVIDIA nodes, and run a small CUDA or Vulkan sample to confirm. If the driver fails to load, inspect kernel logs for module errors, ensure the Nuvo driver is blacklisted, and confirm kernel headers match the running kernel. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched kernel headers are the most common cause. Reinstall matching headers and rebuild the module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.